whiskey pretty early this morning. That's alright. I was up all night, but I passed out before the sun came up. I really wanted to see one of those. I know that's no way for a man to behave. The mortgage due and a baby on the way. But somehow I made it to where I'm at. It's been a living as a matter of fact. I get a bad attitude from being tired and running around. I never asked for anyone to say they like my sound. I've never been a part of any musical scenes. I ain't just talking Nashville, if you know what I mean. They don't write about me in their magazines. I don't ask for no reviews on the songs that I sing. Never had a lot of friends, and I'm alright by that. But people keep on coming back, raising hell with the hippies and the cowboys. They don't care about no trends, they don't care about songs that sell. Yeah, tomorrow I'll be gone.
What's up, fucking faggots? Oh, liquor. Did not double the malt. He didn't juicy the J. He didn't high the gravity. He didn't 24 ounce. And he didn't power drive that Colt 45. Standard, regular Colt 45. Works every fucking time, folks. King Cobra, new look, same taste. You know it's excellent. Premium malt liquor. And how do I know that? It says it right there on the label. Big fuck you shout out to Shady Malt Shadows. Ginger fucking piece of shit. The Birdhouse. Shouts to the 40 Ounce Birdhouse crew. Shouts to doing some side jobs on a Saturday, making $100 in 2 hours. Ain't bad. 2 hours, $100. Fuck it. I've been drinking anyways. Shouts to the hottest chips on the face of the earth. Hottest cheese curls. Carolina Reaper cheese curls. That's not a shout out to you either, Reaper. But shouts to 40 Ounce Reaper.
Hey, we're doing a malt liquor video.
Shut your shit down. Shut your fucking shit down. Shut your fucking life down.
Close the window, go back inside.
Good kill. Good kill.
Alright, way past 3 minutes.
Yeah. It's okay. So you don't suck dick like Shady Malt Shadows does. That's, you know what I'm saying? It's different. You can do whatever the fuck you want to do. Shady Malt Shadows got to abide by the rules. What I say goes. When I tell you to do something, motherfucker, you do it. And you listen like a little bitch. Malt liquor.
Shit.
Miracle hangover cure right here, folks. Shout out to the Birdhouse crew. On this blustery day, and there goes the tripod. Nope.
Oh shit.
She's waggling, folks. She might go down. Ah, there goes the cheese curls. Motherfucker! Good. The cheese curls went down, bitch! Oh. Get it. Make sure we actually record so we don't look stupid. Alright, we are. Oh, we look stupid anyways, but. Little brother showing me up. Once again, what older brother had to go and fuck it all up. Good God.
That's like the hardest fucking part right here.
Yeah.
God damn.
Shouts to this Japanese maple tree that I'm leaning on right now, looking like fucking Thomas Jefferson. Big fuck you shout out to Malt Liquor Marauder, sucking off Shady Cut Shadows every chance he gets.
5 minutes, not bad.
It's not bad. 5 minute 40.
Nah, 5 minutes now, yeah.
Yeah, ain't bad. trying to get a burp out, man. I'm so hungover. My stomach's in knots. I told you I want to go to Latoteca. We said either Latoteca or come home and make a video. He was like, let's go home and make a video. I was like, all right, fuck it. I was ready to go to Latoteca. Oh, dogs barking, chickens grilling. I would grill with a fucking grill today, but it's so fucking windy out.
Yeah, that's true. Still.
All these leaves.
Wait a little bit, yeah.
Telling sort of story. Fucking what?
Yeah,
Just a fucking
look.
week ago.
Yeah, just a week ago, fucking whole tree, look at this.
Fucking wind comes
The fuck?
in.
The fuck?
Beautiful Japanese maple, fluorescent red. Ruby red
I
grapefruit.
watched that freaking movie, Rumble in the Bronx. You ever seen that with Jackie Chan? It's a good movie. Watched that last night.
Jackie Chan's a cut. If you're
No,
watching,
no,
you
no,
goop
he's
bitch.
not.
He's not a cut.
He's
But
not.
he is a
He's
gook,
not.
though. He is a gook with a wire.
He's a bad fucking motherfucker, though.
Yeah, he's all staged.
You gotta know some of that shit.
Yeah.
Every movie is fucking, you know.
Might tear Achilles, or you might fucking dislocate your fucking hip like Joe Flacco. Shouts to Des Bryant going down. So fucking happy about that. Joe Flacco's injury is fake, folks. It's fake news. Don't believe it. It's the fucking truth. You're getting the truth right here. Joe Flacco's injury is not real.
James Montana with the new news coverage or
Yeah,
5 o'clock sports.
5 o'clock somewhere, boys. No 5 o'clock shadow here, Shady Boss Shadows. I got a real beard, unlike you, you ginger fuck. Stay out of sports clips. Go to black barbershops only, you fucking cunt. Or I'll come out to Texas and beat the living fuck out of you. How about that?
Fucking cancer patient.
I don't give a fuck how tall you are. It doesn't really fucking matter. You still get your fucking ass whipped.
Steak and your ass beat, steak and your ass beat. Oh, look at
Label out. So the people driving by know that we're drinking malt liquor. Label the fuck out or get cussed the fuck out. Swill Destroyer is reaching a swill, folks. You know what to do, right? When you reach the swill, what is it? What? You gotta go slow. You gotta take it easy.